Hi, I'm Amberj. In this video, we'll discuss how using one lens for photography and cinematography can make you a better professional and help you develop your style. If you check your idol's photography and films, you will see that they have a unique style of capturing the moments. Vice has its own raw look, which I'm a big fan of. Similarly, I find inspiration in Nayeem Kalam's work on street photography and portraits. He's a Bangladeshi photographer. I'll put his Flickr link down in description below so you can check his work. I always wondered what makes them look unique and how they are able to capture such important moments without missing not even a frame earlier or after. I studied it for a while and it changed my photography and cinematography style and my perception. And today I'm going to tell you how. I'm a strong believer in minimalism and I believe it brings the best out of your images. It's better to adopt this style when you are learning or just starting out or trying to figure out your style. So when you are only restricted to one camera and one lens, you don't have the flexibility to just zoom in and zoom out and to take images. You have to move your body, you have to move yourself while taking the perfect shot. And practice even more to get the perfectly exposed shot and composed shot. Our portfolio at Axis Images is mostly made from one lens, and that is, guess what? 50mm. Using only one lens will teach you how to be more flexible, adaptive, and help you develop a sense of composition so you can take images without looking via viewfinder, which we typically do during weddings, like tukka shot that we call it, right? It'll help you develop your style. If you don't like 50mm, then try out any different lens, maybe a wide lens, maybe a telephoto lens, but keep trying until you find out what is suitable for you. On the other side, it is very economical as well. You don't need to buy a plethora of camera and lenses to figure out your style. Just by buying one camera and one lens, just keep on practicing with it until and unless you find the right one. If you're not happy, just sell it, right? In the initial stage of my photography, I purchased a lot of lenses, out of which right now I use mostly 2-3 lenses regularly. I didn't sell it off because as we run a production house, we required those lenses and bodies to shoot. But if you're starting out or you are a hobbyist, this is the best way to learn and develop your style. If you found this video useful, please give this video a like, share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.